initially a bit hesitant to enroll for this course, but I went through the website and I learned some beautiful techniques. My presentation skills or the way of presenting the data now is getting better now through this course. Since stage fear is something that I struggle with, however, when I presented, I didn't feel a bit of a hesitation to present anything. It was like I know everything and I could just be in the flow and just do my level best of training, facilitating that I did. And I would like to thank the participants as well as the trainer for creating such an environment where it was okay if you didn't deliver your best today. So that was something that I take home from this entire training session. The assignments that were given definitely were very practical based, industry based, and it was a direct replica of what was taught in the class so that you can apply that knowledge in the real world scenario. We were given session plans to make, training sessions to prepare. Prashant sir had taken one step further and he had invited us to one of his training sessions where we got to observe how a training is conducted in a controlled environment and how to move about, what kind of methodologies that we have learnt in our training sessions, how is it implemented in a actual training session. So that was something that I could personally connect, and when I was preparing my training program for the teach back, I could actually go back to those instructions, to those lessons that I had learned, and I could perform much better and could connect whatever was learned in those entire sessions. I would definitely recommend it to my friends and my family members or whomsoever I know can benefit from this course. I'll definitely suggest.